Menteri Ketenat Kampo Yeng Badairu Usembut Menteri Rangba Khubor ba Prestone ten song ulakam baki pulit kinom Slem ban lap dia niki badan keti Halor ka Jingiap jong Heprit badang nyausnam kerta na Nongrah lumarbo ha ka jingakran bat kilat pathai Khubor ba Prestone ulayathu baki pulit kiladan mentah ha kam bat kham artatin kin sayo ban kem yaki badan keti.
Today, ultimately the police team found out the dead body of that kid, which is very painful, and immediately we sent the dead body to the hospital for the postmortem, and now we are waiting for the report of the postmortem. But of course, from the police side, though the report is awaited, it looks like a murder case. It looks like a murder case. So now the police is on the job. I'm very soon we will be able to come out to the breakthrough of this issue, and we will be able also to book the criminal, the concerned criminal who committed such a very unfortunate crime.
Sir, Shillong.
Team is under the leadership of the SP himself. SP is khasinews. The investigation team is on.
So,